All right, let me just share screens 1 sec. Hello everyone, this is Sidekicks Knowing the Hits in Science. Today we have a special amount of people in the chat and the group. We have people from University of Waterloo, myself, Daniel, Abdullahi will lead, and we also have Ryan from University of Toronto, Ibrahim from University of Toronto, and Tom from University of Toronto. So basically what we're doing is we're brawling at seeing who's smarter. Is it University of Toronto or University of Waterloo? Let's put it to the test. So there are, if I remember correctly, 24 questions to answer from, all ranging from biology, physics, basically all sciences and math. So we have everyone in the buzzer, so let's begin. So basically each question you'll get an X amount of points. Some questions you have multiple parts to it, so there'll be like, parts to it. You basically have 30 questions to discuss with your group members. The first person to hit the buzzer will be the first person to go first and basically talk as part of the team. If the person who doesn't get the question right gets it wrong, it goes to the next person or goes to the second person on the other team. Let's say University of Toronto goes first, they get it wrong, it goes to University of Waterloo. From there, if both people get it wrong, the other teams can kind of go back and forth, taking a shot at the question. However, you get a negative 1 point deduction for every, you can almost call it a guess. So you're not just guessing, you're actually thinking about the correct answer here. Basically, whenever a person gets the buzzer first, what we're going to do is we're just going to wait for 30 seconds to go down, let everyone discuss, get the answers in, and then we'll let first person who buzzed get the answer the question, hopefully get the right answer. Does anyone have any questions?
So how do we talk between each other again, Alex?
Just through Messenger,
so through a messenger,
on your own.
messenger phone call, and we're basically gonna all put our computers facing out, right, like this.
To the side, yes.
So we can't use the internet because internet access and using of notes is strictly prohibited during this podcast.
Yeah. So there are no notes or internet usage. It's just calling between teammates, discussing what you know. Can use a pen and pencil, and I would recommend using that for some of the questions. And also calculators are allowed. So something basic, not anything crazy, right? So
okay,
is not allowed. So yeah, let's continue. So we have a sample question. So basically this question's worth 0 points. We have 30 seconds to discuss it. Discussion past 30 seconds will result in a negative 5-point penalty. Everyone ready to go?
Yep.
I'm guessing that's it. All right, let's do this, guys.
Yep.
All right. Which of the two is the superior university? University of Waterloo or University of Toronto? Get your buzzers in. Let's see. All right. I don't think we need to wait for the whole thing to go down, but the obvious answer is University of Waterloo.
Wait. No bias.
Hold up. Look at the university rankings, bro.
No bias here.
UofT is number 1, right?
Okay.
No, it's Toronto's a solid second.
Nah, look at the internet, bro. UofT is number 1.
Anyways, though, the first question, the actual question is an organic chemistry question. It's worth 10 points. You have 30 seconds to go. Get your calls ready, and I'll give you guys 5 seconds to get that ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I reset the buzzers. Whoever gets it first in gets it in. Good. The molecule of 7-chloro-5-ethyl-3-hydroxy-6-methyl-octane contains how many carbon molecules? Go. Discuss amongst yourselves. You got 30 seconds. Go.
Yeah, so
don't try Googling it because it's not on Google. Go ahead.
Yeah, so everyone has
30
to turn
seconds. Go.
the computer, guys. Okay, guys, so what's up? Wait, what was the question again?
It's on the thing. You should see it.
Okay, I see.
15 seconds. So far, Ibrahim is the first person to hit the buzzer. So hopefully he gets the question right.
Oh, shoot, I never got this.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Put your phones down. We're discussing. Come back in the call, everyone. All right. So, Ibrahim, you have the first buzz. What is the answer? Ibrahim, what is the answer? I can't hear you. I don't know if you're talking or not, but what is the answer? My man, you are muted. We can't hear you.
Can I steal?
Can I say the answer for him?
Yeah, sure. In this case, sure, go for it.
So there should be 10 carbon molecules.
There are not. No. Waleed, you are next.
9.
Also no. Brian,
12.
Brian,
no.
can you stop saying some random answers?
I have no one else on the buzzer, but Brian went next. Abdullahi, do you want to go for it?
Yes, I'll say 14.
14, also no.
All right,
Yeah.
I'm gonna say
Dang, in this case, who was from University of Toronto that hasn't yet went? Tom, have you went?
Nope.
All right, what do you think it is?
13.
Also no. So both Toronto and Waterloo have negative 2 points each because they did not get the right answer. Shai, yeah, okay, I guess that's everyone.
Daniel didn't go.
Oh, Daniel, yeah, go ahead, go.
Okay, it looks like
Only
the
if you want to,
answer.
though. Only if you want to, though.
Yeah,
because
sure.
the
Why
answer-
not? Yeah, why not? Guys, it looks like the answer has to be 8.
No, sir.
How can that be?
'Cause it's
Tom, you can't be making fun of our answers and then still have the wrong answer.
Okay,
can I give another answer?
Sure, you'll be the last.
Brian, no.
You get
I'm
a
gonna
negative 1
say-
point deduction, though, so keep it
I'm
up.
gonna say 11.
Ding, ding, ding. That is it.
Nice.
so wait. So Alex, what are the scores now?
At the moment, University of Toronto has 7 points, and University of Waterloo, get good, negative 3. It is 11 carbon molecules. If you keep
See, I told you guys, I'm the smartest.
octane, that is 8. Ethyl has 2, and then methyl has 1. Add those together, that is 11.
Mm-hmm.
So, University of Toronto, you're doing pretty good so far. So that's 7 points.
I'm carrying.
Yeah, you look at you go. All right. Second question. This is more of a general chemistry question. You have, again, it's 3 points each. Keep that in mind. You have 30 seconds to go. Discuss amongst yourselves. I'll give you 5 seconds to get in the calls.
Okay.
Okay, so fill in the select the missing elements of row 2, 3, and 4 on the periodic table. So we have A, B, C, D, E, and F. They're all worth 3 points. Go, you have 30 seconds.
Yeah, okay, so,
And don't forget to hit your buzzer when you got the answers.
B. Yeah, boron, oxygen.
No, B is
Yeah, exactly.
You guys got 9 seconds to go.
Yeah, bromine to F. Phosphorus, and then 4 phosphorus.
Ding, ding, ding. You guys are done. No one hit the buzzer yet, so, like, what's up with that? Anyone wants to hit the buzzer?
Sure, yeah.
All right, Abdullahi. All right, the man, the first one. All right, what is A? What do you think it is?
Boron.
What is it?
Boron.
Boron. Yes, that is. That is 3 points to your team. So far, you have 0. Okay, so that is A. A is boron, indeed. B, Daniel, you are next. What is B?
B is the chemical oxygen.
It is, absolutely. That's another 3 points. So far, UofT is still demolishing UWaterloo, but UWaterloo slowly catching up.
Shit, I forgot to.
It's the rise, guys.
All
It's
right,
the rise.
C, a little bit of a tricky one, but we'll lead. C, what is the answer?
Silicon.
Silicon it is. That is a +3 for University of Waterloo. Toronto, you might want to buzz your thing. I have no
I will
Brian,
next.
okay, Brian is next. D,
So
what is
the
the answer
next
for Brian?
element is phosphorus.
Phosphorus it is. Yeah. That is 10 points. Okay, so UWaterloo has 6. University of Toronto has 10. Ibrahim, you want to go for Eve? I think my man Ibrahim has his mic muted.
I can answer for him.
Sure.
So the next element is argon.
It is not, no.
Just say.
A deduction of 1 point.
Can I steal, Alex?
Points for University of Toronto. 3 buzzers if anyone wants to go again. for E. All right, Brian, you're going up.
Sulfur.
Sulfur for E is not the answer. No,
Oh, I'm sorry. I was reading the thing.
that is sorry, you got the wrong answer. Daniel, go for it.
E is chlorine.
Chlorine it is. That is a +3. Okay.
It's the rise.
Waterloo is now going up. 9 points for University of Waterloo, 8 points for Toronto.
Guys, we're rising.
F, the last one. Abdullahi, would you like the answer?
It's bromine.
Bromine it is. Yes. University of Toronto has 8 points. University of Waterloo has 12 points. I know it's a lot of chemistry, but trust me, it changes. Okay. So 3 points each. I think Tom answered this question for argon, but yeah, here it goes. Anyways, so the Earth has many gases present in the atmosphere. What is the most, the second, and the third most abundant gas in the atmosphere? You have 30 seconds to discuss. Go ahead, guys.
Okay, guys. So number 1 is nitrogen.
I can hear you just saying. So,
Okay. No, it's not. So number 1
you have
is
8 seconds to go,
number
guys.
2 is oxygen. Number 3, guys, is nitrogen, oxygen, and then actually, yes, yeah, argon.
Ding. Daniel giving away all the answers to everyone because I can hear them. But anyways, so yeah, Ibrahim, you got the first buzz, but let's see if we can hear you. What is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere? Unfortunately, we cannot hear you, my man. There is no audio from you. Anyone from University of Toronto go? Anyone else from University of Toronto want to go?
The most abundance would be nitrogen.
Nitrogen it is, yes. Nitrogen with about 78%. That is 3 points. So now UofT slowly catching up. All right, Abdullahi, you got the second most abundant. What is it?
It's oxygen.
Oxygen it is. Yep, with 21%. So U of Waterloo has 15 points. Third most Anyways, you guys saw the answer from that one before, so I'll just give the point to University of Toronto because they're a little lagging behind.
Wait,
because
what?
Tom did say argon, so I'll let him have that one. You know?
Wait, what?
Anyways, though, I know, again, a lot of chemistry, but trust me, it changes in a sec. Numbers have been reset. Again, 3 points each. This one might be a little tricky, so yeah, you guys go at it. You have 30 seconds. So hydrogen is a very versatile atom from various charges and configurations. I can't see what that says. The slight change of one aspect of hydrogen affects the atom drastically, from acids and bases or uses in nuclear reactor stability. Name the following different hydrogens based on their symbol, charge, and other fundamental subatomic particles. Sounds complicated, but it's not. Go for it. You have 30 seconds to go for all of these. Okay, hopefully you guys are seeing this. Go ahead. 30 seconds, go.
Yeah,
Okay,
guys, it's
seconds to go. Remember, your buzzers, get them in.
Tellurium. You guys want? So it's a. Okay, so deuterium is D. T is tellurium.
0 seconds, guys, and we are done. Down, please. Get all your buzzers in because even then you can still go for a guess. There's a penalty, but hey, it's not that much if you can get these questions right. Everyone, get your buzzers in, please. Okay. So, A, what is A? We'll lead.
I buzz first.
Yes, you did, my man.
Hydride.
Hydride, it is not hydride. No. University of Toronto, you may go for A.
A is proton.
Proton, it is. Yes. 17 points for University of Toronto. All right. B. Abdullahi, what is B?
It's beryllium.
What is that? Sorry?
Beryllium.
Close, but not exactly. I will deduct you, but not exactly. No. Next up, Tom. Tom, if you want to go for it, you might get the answer.
Brian, have any idea what this?
You're not allowed to discuss.
Yeah, we a team.
For
Oh,
B,
you guys can't.
are we on B
Okay,
right now?
then take my
Yeah.
correction for tellurium then.
I think it's trillium.
Trillium? It is not. Sorry, no. Daniel, if you want to go for it, go for it.
Tellurium is the answer.
That is not the answer, no.
Oh my.
Anyone have any ideas, or are we going to pass this one? No idea? All right. It is tritium. Very close, though. Not trillium. Anyways, for C, you guys want to reset the buzzers? Because you guys elect.
Okay.
Whoever can get C, go for it. All right, Waleed, what is the answer?
I'm gonna try hydride again.
Hydride for C it is, my man. Yes, hydride for C. That is plus 3 points. 14, 17 points for University of Waterloo and 16 for University of Toronto. A very close tie. D. Tom, what do you think the answer is?
B is deuterium.
Deuterium it is, yes. 19 points for University of Toronto. And last but not least, Daniel, what about E?
Hydronium.
Hydronium it is, yes. 50 points for University of Waterloo, 19 points for University of Toronto. This is quite the tie. Finally, we have some microbiology.
Ooh.
One is worth 10 points, guys. You have 30 seconds to go. Go ahead and answer the question. So,
you felt.
a little bit of a backstory here. Geosmins are a powerful molecule in which it gives off a distinct earthly flavor and smell after rainfall. The nose is able to detect it at 5 parts per million. It is hypothesized that it is an evolutionary trait to detect water, as bacteria produce in areas where water exists. You have, not yet, 30 seconds. 2 bacteria, and this is 10 points each for the 2 bacteria, if you can get them, and I just reset the buzzers. 2 bacteria that can create geosmins, and there are some hints. One of them is gram-positive, capable of producing a wide variety of antibiotics, and another one of them is a gram-negative bacteria capable of producing oxygen. You have 30 seconds on the clock, guys. Go ahead. And remember, hit your buzzers if you know even one of the answers. You can get 10 points. That's quite a bit.
Okay, guys, I think it's a pseudomonas.
You guys have 8 seconds on the clock.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, guys, you have to come back. That's the timer. All right, University of Waterloo. Daniel, you have the first guess. Go for it.
Okay, so one of the bacteria is Pseudomonas aeruginosa.
I'm not looking for I just need the genus. So you said
Okay, yeah, so Pseudomonas
and what is the other one that you're gonna go for?
rhizobia.
Neither are right. So because you got the first one for guess, but the negative 1 point deduction. That is 19 points for you, Waterloo. We have no one from University of Toronto. Any buzzing in? Anyone want to go for it? It's 10 points. It's quite a bit.
Okay, is it Azotobacter?
No, it is not. No. Another guess? Also no. Waleed, perhaps. Maybe. Do you have a guess?
I have no clue. I'll think about it though.
Keep thinking. All right. Does University of Toronto want to go for it? I mean, you have a free guess. Anyone from University of Toronto want to go for it?
I'm still thinking about it.
All right. It's not a specific bacteria. It's just like a name. So, like, for example, like Homo sapiens, I wouldn't say Homo sapiens. It'd just be like Homo or like that thing. So, like, it wouldn't be like Streptococcus, whatever. It'd just be Streptococcus, let's say, if that is the answer.
Oh, yeah, it's
I'll give another 10 seconds so we don't waste too much time here, but there are 10 points each on the line here.
And Ibrahim and Brian, you guys could also go. Like, anyone you guys can go.
Ibrahim cannot talk.
Streptomyces?
Strepto, what was it?
Streptomyces?
I'll give you the point for that because that was close enough. Yes, that is one of the 10 points for that. Streptomyces, yes.
Oh, sorry, my pronunciation.
29 points for you, Waterloo. Does Toronto want to give a shot? It is a very simple. I'll give him a hint. University of Toronto, whichever one you want. It is capable of producing oxygen from photosynthesis. It is a bacteria. Anyone? I'll give this to University of Toronto if they can get it.
Oh.
It is found in algae, perhaps.
Oh.
Oh, cyanobacteria.
Cyanobacteria. It is 10 points for University of Toronto. There you guys go. 29 points for University of Toronto and 29 points for University of Waterloo. What a tie. Back to organic chemistry, because who doesn't love organic chemistry? 8 points for this question. This is a pretty simple question. You might want to get some paper, but you have 30 seconds to go. Very fast death factor, more commonly known as antitoxin A, is a toxin produced by cyanobacteria, which kills by respiratory failure by interfering with nicotinic acetylcholine receptors. How many hydrogens, you guys can see, does this molecule contain? You guys have 30 seconds on the clock to see how many hydrogens this molecule contain. Go for it. You guys have 30 seconds to go. And be sure to get your buzzers in if you know the answer. And remember, you have a first guess, even if you don't know it, you still have a guess. First guess that you have, deduct you any points whatsoever.
Yeah, so
You guys have 5 seconds on the clock. Abdullahi is the only one who buzzed in so far. Brian up next. All right. Abdullahi, you go for it. What do you got?
This is my guess.
Well, I mean, a guess or the answer. I don't know. You tell me.
I'm going for 18.
18 is not the answer. No. Brian from University of Toronto, what is your answer?
I believe it's 17.
17 is also not the answer. Daniel from University of Waterloo, what is your answer?
I believe it's 12.
-1 point for not the right answer. Oh.
What?
Tom from University of Toronto, what is your answer?
19.
19, also not the right answer.
Is it my turn?
I'll reset the buzzers. Whoever wants to take a shot, go for it. This is, remember, worth 8 points, so quite a bit on the line here. Waleed, what do you want to say? What is the answer?
16.
16, also not the right answer. -1 point. 27.
Hold up.
Brian, what is the answer, my man?
20.
Is not the answer.
It's not that high, Brian.
All right, Daniel, University of Waterloo, what is the answer?
14.
14 is indeed the correct answer at last.
Oh.
35 points for University of Toronto, or Waterloo, sorry, and 27 points for University of Toronto.
Yeah.
Clutch, Daniel, clutch.
UW here.
Indeed. I've reset all the buzzers. Let's go to the next question. 14 hydrogen molecules in this entire antitoxin A. Let's go for some quick math. This one should be pretty straightforward. Actually, not really, but there's a hint at the end. I'll just skip to the easy bit so it doesn't scare you guys. This one's worth 10 points. You have 30 seconds. Ignore that. Basically, look at the bottom. What is the answer what is the answer to 5 question marks?
Wait, can we use calculator?
Yes, you can. You have 30 seconds. Go.
Yo, Brian.
Guys, get your buzzers in. Remember, Abdullahi's the only one in it so far.
What if you don't want to buzz because you don't understand?
Then, hey, go for a guess. Why not? You guys have 4 seconds to go to discuss. Time is up. Abdullahi, do you have the answer for me, my man?
You said what?
You have the answer. You took the buzz.
Yeah.
Wait. Tom, time is up. You cannot talk anymore.
Okay.
Yeah, Tommy, it is done. No more talking. Yeah.
Yeah, I suck at this, but I'm gonna say 120.
120 is indeed the correct answer. That is 10 points. Blue. 45.
Thank you.
University
Yes,
of
thank
Waterloo.
you, Abdullah. Pray.
27, University of
you.
Toronto. That is the answer. Microbiology question again, 10 points. This one, hopefully you guys can get it, but you have 30 seconds, and yeah, I'll discuss this. We spell the buzzers now. So basically, antibiotics are one of the most revolutionary discoveries of the 20th century. From curing and eliminating certain diseases, antibiotics are an incredible achievement against certain bacteria, dangerous bacteria even. So here's some sample molecules. In the red little grouping, what is that little functional group called that is common in a lot of antibiotics? You have 30 seconds to go. Go for it. Discuss the answer. I reset the buzzer, so if anyone knows, go for it. 20 seconds, my guys. Come on.
Wait, okay, guys, I swear it's honestly the
You guys have 8 seconds to go.
wait, okay, guys, just what do you think it is?
2, 1, 0. Time is up, guys. Come back, please. Everyone is back. Excellent. Anyone does? Okay, Daniel has buzzed in first. Let's see what you think.
It's something cycling, right? Has to be something cycling.
Well, it is a circle. Yeah, it is contained.
Okay, I'm gonna just say honestly, penicillin.
That is not the correct answer.
Oh, I know it. Yeah.
Not an actual number. Anyone? I guess Tom. Any guess?
Aminocycline.
That is not the correct answer. No, Waleed. If you can go for it, you remember you have a -1 penalty if you don't get the right.
I was about to say what Tom said. So.
Any guess? Any idea?
Like just regular amino.
No. Keep in mind this is something ring. If that helps, that is -1 point for University of Waterloo. 44 points. Anyone have any other guesses? Any ideas? I will give you another, guys, 15 seconds to go. And I'll reset all the buttons because no one else is again. Daniel, do you have a idea?
I want to say hydrocycline.
That is not the correct answer. No, 43 points.
Sorry, guys.
I guess anyone from Toronto have any idea?
Yeah, go collect some -1 Toronto. It's not fair. They're just guessing blindly here.
Yeah, all right. Beta lactam.
Oh my goodness, beta lactam.
Yes, that is the answer, my guys.
Neufeld would be so annoyed right now.
Yeah, I know, right? Okay, just to save time, let's keep going. Psychology, maybe you guys will get this. 8 points, 30 seconds to go.
Hey, Brian.
Basically, what does the cerebellum do in the human brain, and what does its function go?
Oh my God.
You guys, okay, yes, yeah. So the cerebellum also important for. I want to see mental.
All right, time is up. Abdullahi, have the answer for me.
Okay, it's responsible for its function is for language, basically.
Language, that is not the correct answer. University of Toronto, Brian, go for it.
I believe it's balance.
Balance, yeah, I'll give you that one. It is one of the things. It is mostly muscular activity, but more specifically coordination and power. That is correct. You get 8 points of Toronto. 35 for University of Toronto, 43 for UWaterloo.
Language is temporal lobe, but okay.
Yeah, language is temporal lobe.
Yes. Up next, there is 3 points each for some of these. So hey, it's a physics question. It should be pretty straightforward though. I'm pretty sure this can be a catch-up for University of Toronto, hopefully. All right. I'm not going to read this because you guys know what light is. Let's go to the question. Name in order the types of light. I'm going to reset the buzzers of the electromagnetic spectrum. Go. You have 30 seconds to go.
Okay.
You guys have 20 seconds. And it's 3 points each. This is quite a big, guys. This is a big catch-up for University of Toronto if they can get it. But so far, I only have a lead from UWaterloo, so Toronto, step it up. Let's get some people from Toronto in here. No, Daniel. Time is up. No more discussion. All right. Waleed, what is A? Do you have A for me?
Oh, I just made myself full screen, but okay. Radio waves.
No, I'm just looking at A. We have radio waves, yes, but what is A?
1 second.
You have 5 seconds, my man.
The question is, I hit something to make it go
Oh, good.
by accident.
Just find it, please. All right, Daniel, go for it. You got the A. Go for it.
Can I answer a different one though?
Nope, you have to go in order.
Yeah, sure. Okay. I want to say microwaves.
Microwave is the answer. Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
We'll go to the next one just so we can be a little fair here. Tom, what is B?
Oh, I was reading it wrong. Oh my god.
Tom, UofT, what is B?
Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. B is infrared.
Infrared it is, yes. 38 points for University of Toronto. Waleed, what is C? Ultraviolet? What did you say?
Yeah, I said ultraviolet.
Yes, that is correct. Yep, 49. All right. Brian from UofT, what is D? Brian from UofT, D, man.
X-ray?
X-ray it is, yes. All right, and last but not least, we have Ibrahim. Do you know what E is?
I can answer for him.
Yeah.
Is it our turn?
Gamma?
Gamma it is, yes. That is 44 points, UofT, 49 points, UWaterloo. That was a good catch-up for UofT. Well done, guys. That's all the answers. I'm not going to go through that because you guys are smart. Math, calculus again. Who doesn't know calculus? This one's the easy one, but you'll get it. 10 points. You have 30 seconds to go. What is the limit to this? No pressure, but you got calculators. So 30 seconds on the dot. Reset the buzzers. Go.
God. We need more than 30 seconds for this one.
There is a trick to it if you know what you're looking for. I'll give you a hint. It's the highest exponentials. Go. 15 seconds on the dot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Anyone have? Oh, Daniel. What is your? What are you thinking here?
I think X is going to be.
No, I'm not looking for.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
Numerical value. 10 points on the line.
Went to 25.
What is it?
25.
25 is not the correct answer. No. Tom, do you have any idea?
1.
Getting closer, but not 1. No. Anyone have any idea? Brian, let's go for it. Why not? Toronto.
2.
2. Also not the right answer. No. I don't think that's guessing. Actually trying here, but yeah. Anyone from Waterloo want to give it a shot? Remember, look at the highest exponentials. That's the most important thing. The coefficients in the highest exponentials.
Wait. Ooh.
I'll reset the buzzers. If anyone wants to give it a shot, go ahead. I'll get. Oh, Tom, let's go for it. Why not?
1/2.
1/2 is the correct answer. Yes. University of Toronto in the lead finally, 54 and 49 for University of Waterloo.
Hey, math is good, eh?
Toronto, yeah, math is good. Toronto, you are Waterloo. Waterloo, step it up. What the hell's going on?
I know, yeah.
All right, 1/2 is the correct answer. Remember, look at the highest exponentials because anything smaller doesn't really matter. Hey, look at that. Another calculus question. Pretty small. You guys will get it. You'll look at it, you'll know. 5 points, 30 seconds, go. If we take the integral from basically negative infinity to infinity of this graph, what do you get? What numerical value do you get? Go. Reset the buzzers, go for it. 30 seconds. Go ahead. Come on, guys. It's Calculus 101. Okay, Brian, coming in with the clutch here. All right, let's give another few seconds, and then we'll see what Brian has to say. Remember, this is 5 points, so hey, this could be a big lead for University of Toronto, or it could be a tie with University of Waterloo. That is time. University of Toronto. What do you got for me, Brian?
I believe it's 2.
2 is, well, not the right answer, unfortunately. Daniel, what do you got for me?
1.5. 1.5.
1.5 is, well, also not the right answer, unfortunately. Any idea, guys? Remember, I'll give you a hint. This graph is symmetrical. So, any idea? I'll reset the buzzers. Anyone got any ideas? I'll give another 10 seconds, guys. Daniel, all right, what do you got for me?
Like this is for this doesn't have to be a number, right? It could be actually like a what's it called, a variable, right?
Nope, this is a number because of symmetry.
Oh,
You're taking the integral from negative infinity to infinity, assuming basically just at 0, it's flipped. They're both just the same, just it's flipped though. Any idea?
I know what the graph is, but
Now you got 5 seconds. Tom has the second buzz.
yeah, honestly, I was gonna say 1.7. It's a 3.
3 is also not the right answer. Tom, do you got the answer for me?
The answer is 1/4.
It is not 1/4. No. Since no one got it, the answer is kind of here. It is, in fact, 0 because of the symmetry. Just the positive with negative.
Damn it!
Out.
Oh, yeah, true.
I did say it was symmetrical, so yeah, it does.
Yeah, that's true.
You did not need an equation or anything. Organic chemistry. This one's a little more interesting. Name all the functional groups that you can see, but also if you give me the number of functional groups, like say, let's say there's like 3 amides, you'll get a bonus of 2 points. So if you give me the functional group, you get 5 points, bonus of 2 if you give me the number. You guys have 30 seconds to go. And just a heads up, you will not get the picture after this. So if after 30 seconds, memorize what it looks like, and that's it. Anyways, go. So this basically molecule is big and fancy. There's a lot of functional groups. Name all of them that you can. You got 30 seconds. Go for it. Buzzers have been reset. Go ahead, guys. This one has the potential to really make it or break it for one team. So I'm telling you guys, this is a big one that you really
Do
want.
we need to know how many of them? Or like how many?
Nope, that is just bonus if you can get it though. Remember, you got 5 seconds to memorize this thing, and then it's gone. So you got 3, 2, 1. Everyone, all right. What is the answer, my guys? Ryan, what do you got for me? What functional group or even the number of functional groups can you give me to get a bonus?
Um,
And like I said, this is a bit of a trick because the picture now is gone, so I can't bring it back. Otherwise, it'd be a bit too easy.
is there multiple ones?
Yeah, so like you can have, carboxylic acids, let's say, or other ones. Yeah, there's a bunch of them. So yeah, any functional groups that you saw there?
I'm gonna say hydroxyl.
Hydroxyl, yes, there is. How many? Do you have any a number? Because once you get to the number, it's out of the question, so you can get a bonus here.
6.
6 is not the right answer, but you did get a 5-point lead because it is hydroxyl. 59 for University of Toronto, 48 Waterloo. Get good. Daniel, what is the answer for me?
Okay, yeah. So we have 6 ketones.
6 ketones is not the right answer, but you did get ketones, so that is a 5-point lead. 53 for you, Waterloo. All right, Tom, what do you got for me?
3-benzene.
3-benzene is right, and a bonus of 2 points because you did get the number right. 59, 7, 66 for University of Toronto.
You bust it.
All right, there are 4 more functional groups. What do you guys got? Waleed, go for it.
3 esters.
3 esters is not the right answer, unfortunately. You were close, but you did get esters right, so that is 5 points for your team. 58, you Waterloo. 66, you Toronto. Anyone from you Toronto got an answer for me? Because
Can I answer?
go for it, yeah.
Carboxyl.
Carboxyl was technically yes, but that's not the answer I was looking for. Abdullahi, what do you got for me?
Hydroxyl.
We already had hydroxyl. You got one more though. We already had hydroxyl.
Really? Okay,
Yes, sir.
I'll say an amide. We had one of
many
those.
amides? How many?
We had one of those.
1 amide it is. 7 points for you, Waterloo. 7, 6. You Waterloo. 66, Toronto. Look at that. All right. There's 2 more to go. Yeah. Anyone? I'll reset the buzzers. Anyone want to go for it?
Oh, can I?
Tom, you are the first one in. What do you got for me?
Aceto. Aceto.
Also right, but I'm not looking for that one. Sorry. Waleed.
Oxalic acid.
That was not it, and that's a -1 because you did just guess for me. So 64. You are Lou. Daniel, what do you got for me?
Just a question first. Has ethers been said? Sorry. Esters. No, sorry. Esters.
For ethers have not been said. My bad. My apology.
So sorry. How about esters?
Esters have been said, but ethers, like you said, were not guessed. Do you have a number for me?
For ethers, sure. Let's say like 5.
5 ethers, no, but you did get it 5 points. 60 for you, Waterloo. 66, you Toronto. I think we'll just continue, but you guys got all of them except for the 4 methyls that were in that model. I'm thinking, I don't know if we're reaching the 40 limit time here, but should we make a part 2 for this podcast?
Yeah. So if you guys actually, I think you extended it to be unlimited time, right?
Oh, okay, perfect. That works with me then. All right, let's continue.
Because I saw like unlimited, so we can keep going.
Yep. Another 8 questions and we're done. I know you guys are probably getting tired, but hey, so am I. I want to get this done too. Kidding. Biology, question 14. You got 10 points for the correct answer. You have 30 questions. Go ahead. I'm looking for the Latin names of the 4 compositions of blood. I've reset the buzzers. Oh, Abdullahi already coming in. All right, look at you. All right, 30 seconds. Oh, everyone from you Waterloo coming in. All right. Toronto, let's see what you got. It's honestly could be a tie. This is, but keep in mind, this is not each. You have to get all 4 right, and I want the Latin names only for white blood cells and red blood cells. So I'm not looking for those at the bottom there. You guys have 6 seconds to go. Yeah, let me know what you guys got. 0. All right, we'll lead. My man, let's see what you got. Let's go for it. 4 things I'm looking for.
Okay, I got leukocytes, erythrocytes, eosinophils, and basophils.
I'm looking for just the basic contents in the blood. That is partially right. But unfortunately, my man, that is it. You got the wrong answer. Toronto, Tom, what do you got for me?
Tom, there's no talking. You have to answer right now.
Yep, you've got to say. Otherwise, I will deduct you 5 points if you don't talk in a few seconds. There is no
Plasma.
What?
Leukocyte.
Yep.
Hemoglobin.
No, unfortunately. I mean, technically yes, but I'm looking for cells specifically. If you can get the right cells, I'll still let you slide with this one.
Monocyte.
Nope, you got that one wrong, my man. Sorry, Abdullahi, it is your turn. Go for it.
Okay. I'll say leukocyte, erythrocytes, plasma, and platelets.
That is 10 points. University of Waterloo. Congratulations. 9, you Waterloo. Those were the 4 I was looking for. You guys were very close, but those were the 4. Another biology. 5 points. You got 30 seconds. Again, I'll reset the buzzers and then go ahead. Name the 3 parts. Oh, let's reset it. Name the parts of the heart A, B, and C. You guys have 30 seconds to go. I'm seeing there's probably less chatter here, but hey, this is good. We'll lead so far the only contestant to come in here. Okay. And keep in mind, this is 5 points each. So you can have this could be a big lead for University of Toronto or even Waterloo because you guys are very closely tied. You guys have 6 points to go. 5 seconds. Sorry, 1, 0. All right, time is up. No more chit chatting. All right, we'll lead A. Do you have A for me, please? The part of the
superior Vienna Cava.
that is correct. That is 5 points for University of Waterloo. 84 and 66 for you, Toronto. Tom, do you have B for me? Tom, no more chatting. I need an answer here.
Okay, my bad was unmuting the thing. Okay, anyway.
All good. B. What did you?
Is left ventricle.
I'm looking for the very technically right, but I'm looking at the very bottom of the heart there. Not anything inside.
Wait, the arrow was pointing at. Okay.
I'm looking just at the very bottom. Imagine it's the outside of the heart. I'll give you one more shot at this.
The outside of the heart.
Outside, but just the very bottom of the heart. No ventricle, no atrium, just the bottom of the heart. What is it called? I'll give you 5 more seconds, my man.
The bottom of the heart.
3, 2, 1.
The aortic valves.
The what, sorry? The what?
Aortic valves. Valves.
No, that is not the answer I was looking for. Abdullahi, do you have the answer for me?
Yeah, I don't even know what that is.
Abdullahi, B, do you have the answer for me?
Pericardium.
I am not. No, that is not the correct answer I'm looking for. Unfortunately, just the bottom bit of the heart, not the outside bit. Daniel,
Purkinje fibers.
not the inside of the heart, just the structure, and not the nerves inside of it. Tom,
Thick wall. Thick wall.
Pardon me? Tom,
Sorry. Oh,
you're next, my man.
B is endothelial cells.
No, okay, that was the last one. I won't deduct any points because the arrow is kind of bad, but it is the apex.
Yeah.
Bit of the heart there. C. Abdullahi, do you have the answer for me? I reset the buzzers, by the way, so if you guys want to go for it, go for it. C. What is
Aorta.
Not the correct answer. That is a deduction for University of Waterloo. Tom, do you have the answer for me? C.
Pulmonary artery.
That is correct. 5 points for University of Toronto. 71 for University of Toronto and 83 for University of Waterloo. I'm seeing Toronto could still get up here because there's another about 8 more questions to go. But yes, those are the correct answers. Another biology question. You have 5 points and 30 seconds to go. You guys go ahead. Let's see what we got. I'm going to reset the buzzers. Name the following bases found in DNA. This one might be a little tricky. Which one is double ringed or single ringed? You might be able to get it. But you guys have 3 seconds on the line. Go ahead. There is 5 because one is found in RNA and not in DNA. Which, I should have mentioned it was in DNA and RNA. Sorry, that is my fault. But you guys have 14 seconds to discuss. And this is 5 points each, so it's a pretty big lot of points here. All right, 0. A. Abdullahi, what do you got for me? What is the answer?
I'll say adenine, guanine.
I just want one. I just want one for now.
Oh, okay. Adenine.
Adenine is correct answer. Yes. 5 points. 80. Awesome. All right, let's go for Tom. B. What is the answer, my man?
B is guanine.
Guanine is not the right answer. Daniel, what do you got for me?
B is cytosine.
Cytosine is the correct answer for B. Yes. 93 points. Waterloo. All right. Anyone from Toronto got for C?
Yeah, C is guanine.
C is not guanine. No. What do you got for me?
What did Daniel say for the last one?
I cannot say that. You shouldn't be paying attention, my man.
Because I think I'm going to repeat exactly what he said.
Well, that'll be a deduction of 1 point if you do. So, Waleed, what is the answer?
Cytosine?
What is it?
Cytosine? No. Okay. Guanine.
It is not guanine. No, -1 point for University of Waterloo.
Oh, I thought it was -1 point if I say Olivia.
No. Tom, what is the answer, my man?
Thymine.
Timing.
Thymine is the correct answer. Okay, Toronto stepping up. Tom, what is D?
D is guanine.
Guanine is the right answer. Okay, you guys are slowly catching up. And then, okay, I'm going to reset the buzzers. What is the last one? If you guys are paying attention, you should know. Waleed, what is the...
Uracil.
What is it?
Uracil.
Uracil is the correct answer. Yes.
Finally, I paid attention.
Right. You study all the buzzers. All right, let's continue. That is the...
Finally, genetics has a purpose, actually.
Yeah, biology. Another 10 points. You guys have 30 seconds to go. ATP is an important molecule. How many nitrogens, phosphoruses, and oxygens are found in this molecule? You will be given a diagram. It is just a count. Let's see who can count the fastest. Go. Good luck. It is just a matter of who can count the fastest. You guys, it's all whoever gets the first buzz and gets the correct answer. For all three of the atoms will get their right answer. 10 points. If Toronto gets this one, you guys will still be catching up to Waterloo. This one was kind of a freebie, so hopefully someone gets it. I'm just looking for carbons, nitrogens, oxygens, and phosphoruses. That is time. Tom, what do you got for me?
Okay, so
And no counting on the spot. I need it snap.
10 carbon, 3 phosphorus, 13 oxygen.
And what about nitrogen?
There's nitrogen in there?
There. Yes.
Okay, 6 nitrogen.
6 nitrogens is not the right answer. Daniel, what is the right answer?
Okay, so it's 3 phosphorus,
Yep.
10 carbons,
Yep.
11 oxygen,
And what else?
and 4 nitrogens.
Also not the right answer. I'm going to reset the buzzword. Tom, you were very close there. I don't know if you want to give it a shot again. Yeah, go for it.
Okay, so 10 carbon,
Yes, sir.
3 phosphorus,
Yep.
13 oxygen, 5 nitrogen.
There it is. The 5 nitrogens. You said 4, but that is the correct answer. 91 points for University of Toronto, 97 for University of Waterloo. There are about 5 questions more, guys. This is, this could be anyone's game. Up next, we have a general chemistry. This one's pretty straightforward, I think. Nothing too crazy, but this one, honestly, if you know your shit, this can give you a big lead. So let's continue. 5 points each, and there are, I think, about 9 answers. So if you might have a periodic table, which don't Google it because that's cheating, you'll know the answer. Which of the molecules? Actually, I'll give you a periodic table here, so no problem there. Which of the atoms, not molecules, are diatomic, so not found by themselves in nature, but are joined by the same atom? You guys have 30 seconds. Go ahead. Get the buzzers in. Twenty seconds to go, guys. Honestly, this could be anyone's game, especially with this question. This one's a big, crazy question. One of the last questions is worth 20 points. So if you know your stuff, especially evolution, you should be good. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, 0 seconds. All right. Let's go with Daniel. What's the first one?
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen is the correct answer indeed. Waterloo gets that one. All right. Let's go with Abdullahi we'll go with Tom for Waterloo. What is the second one? Or any of them, really?
The answer is oxygen.
Oxygen is also one of them for University of Toronto. All right. Abdullahi, what do you got for me?
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen is one of them, yes. For University of Waterloo. Up next, Ibrahim. I don't know if he still got the voice or not, but what do you got for me? Or if University of Toronto want to speak on his behalf, perhaps.
Brian.
Yep, I can. Yeah, okay. So chlorine.
Chlorine is also one of them, yes. Up next, just because it's down the order, Tom, or Waleed, sorry, Tom, what do you got for, Waleed, what do you got for me?
Helium.
What?
Helium.
Helium is not the right answer. Deduction of 1 point. Waterloo. I'm going to reset the buzzers. Who wants to go next? All right, Waleed, what is the next one?
Bromine.
Bromine is indeed correct. Yeah.
Instant redemption.
Let's go with Tom. What is the next one?
Iodine.
Iodine is also correct. Yes. Oh, I was not supposed to do that. Let's go with the next. Abdullahi, I believe, is next. There are 3 more atoms left.
Fluorine.
Fluorine is one of them. Yes, sir. There are 2 left. These are relatively new atoms. So if you guys know your, the news, you'd be good. Abdullahi was next. Tom, what do you got for me? I think you guys see the relative trend, but I mean, as far as the name, I need the name, not the atom itself, the number, or like the little atomic thing.
What's this? I don't want to lose a point, so.
Tom, any answer from you, man? You got 5 seconds, no discussing. Remember, that's cheating.
Okay. Cadmium.
Unfortunately, not. Deduction of 1 point. Let's go with Daniel. What do you got for me?
Okay, honestly, I'm gonna go with DY.
I need the name, not the symbol. Sorry.
Dysporium.
That is not an element, unfortunately. No.
Can I go?
1.95.
Okay.
Let's go a few more. Let's go with Tom. What do you got for me?
Boron.
Boron is not it. No, my man. Negative 1 point again. Anyone else want to keep going? I can reset the buzzers.
Oh.
5 points each. Remember that. Abdullahi, what is the answer?
I'll go with lithium.
Lithium is also not it. No.
What?
We'll lead. All right, let's see. What is it?
Astenine?
Astenine is actually the correct answer. Yes.
What's up?
Yes, we'll lead. All right, Daniel, the last one. This is a relatively new atom. Was found a couple years back. It is relatively new.
Okay, a couple years back, giving that's good. Honestly, let's go with that OG.
I need the name, not the symbol.
Osgood.
No. I think that'll be it for now. I'll tally up. Give me 1 second to tally up the points.
Wait, this is our turn though, right?
If you want to lose a point, you might.
Tom, you're not there. Tom, go for it. Yeah, what do you got for me, Tom?
Tennessine.
Tennessine is the right answer.
Was the internet used here, Tom? Because everybody said no.
Yes.
That's yeah, interesting. I'll give him a point though, but hey,
Yeah, okay.
I'm a little suspicious. 1, 2, 3.
Yes. Look.
5
yes.
by 25. Oh god, I can't do the math here. 111, 119 for UWaterloo, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. 1 and 109 in Toronto. So it's a 10-point difference here, my guys. You got all of them. That is it. That is all the diatomics that exist. I'll reset the buzzers. Next question, physics. 5 points each. We are almost done. 4 more questions to go. Yeah. So basically, based on the Dirk equation, fundamental particles have almost opposites to themselves. Give me the name of the opposite for electron, a proton, and a neutron. You guys have 30 seconds to go. Go ahead. Sorry, I'll just buzz the thing. Yeah, buzzers are reset, so you guys go ahead. 5 points each, please.
Alex, am I still buzzed in?
No, you might want to buzz in. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay, you are Luke Daniel. What's your for A? Let's get the first one, electron.
Sure, A, electron. Let's go with a anti-electron.
Anti-electron, while I'm looking for a different name, is also technically true, so I will give you the answer for that. 5 points for that. 124 for UWaterloo. Tom, what is the opposite for a proton?
Tom, you're muted.
My bad. Okay. Positron.
Positron would be correct for the electron. Unfortunately, that is incorrect. Brian, or anyone from UWaterloo that wants to give it a shot, or am I going to give it to Brian?
Antiproton.
Antiproton is the correct answer.
I mean, like anti-electron, so antiproton.
I'm
Can you tell me how to chance now?
What's the last one? I'm only going with buzzers. I'm only going for buzzers, so whoever buzzes in first. Toronto, Tom. What do you have for neutron?
Anti-neutron.
Anti-neutron is correct for that.
Wow. Oh my, these questions, yo.
19 and 124. This is quite close, guys. 5-point difference. University of Toronto's a little behind, but hey, we're close. I'm resetting the buzzers.
Guys, we have to keep the
Oh,
lead.
shit, look at this. Quick true and false. Let's go for it, guys. So, just a heads up. It's true or false. If you get the right answer, it's 5 points. But don't let it fool you. If you get the wrong answer, it's a negative 5 points. So be sure to know your shit.
Okay, yeah, holy.
Math calculus. Like I said, 5 points right, 5 points wrong. It is out. Go ahead. Buzzers come in. Oh, Waleed. Waleed knows his calculus. All right. Up this. Daniel coming in. All right. All right. Everyone from Toronto coming in. If I get one more person, I could just, come on, then we could see what everyone thinks. Okay, we'll just go with it because, yeah, everyone. Okay. So, Waleed, what do you think it is? Is it true or false? Waleed, I am sorry. It is not true.
Oh my god.
That is not true, my man. Yeah, it's only fair to give it to Toronto. What is the correct answer?
False.
You get this 5 point.
Answer yes. Okay.
That's not fair, Alex. The only other answer is false.
Yeah, okay.
Like I said, you have to know your stuff. Otherwise,
You have to know it. It's just like one time or that's it, right? It's a one-time goal. You know what I mean?
there's only one more true and false. I just want to mix it up almost. I didn't want to make it too easy for you guys.
Yeah, you gotta know what to know.
Let UofT go first next
Another last one. 5 points. No, 5 points. It's been reset, Waleed. So hey, you can give it another shot if you know your stuff. Go for it. Waleed coming in here. Okay. Waleed, I just want to make sure, man. Like you just make sure you know your answer because I don't want to deduct you more marks. Because right now, actually, University of Toronto is winning by 5 points, so there's no pressure there. University of Toronto with 124 and University of Waterloo with 119.
Okay.
All right, Waleed, if you got the right answer, my man, go for it.
Hold up. I have a question. Is there going to be a variable in the answer?
It's either just true or false. I cannot give you the answer to that.
Whoa. This is true and false?
This is still a true and false. Yes, this is the last one. You can pass if you want. That is the thing I'm allowing. If you do want to
Wait, what?
Pass. I'm going to pass to
you want
Daniel.
to pass, all right, Brian, my man.
Oh. Sounds like it's a bit.
Brian,
Wait.
what is the answer?
Wait, can we also pass then?
Can we pass to our own team members?
You can only pass to the next person that's down the list, and I'll go to the opposite university for that.
So, Brian, right?
What is the correct answer, my man? What?
Yo, I'm a pass.
Brian passed it too.
Okay,
All right.
let me take it. I know it.
Okay,
True.
all right, wait. It's going to Okay, Abdullahi's next. If you want to pass, I'll give it to Waleed.
I'm passing it to Waleed.
Sure, Waleed, go for it. What do you got for me?
Okay, false.
It is false. Yes. Guys, you are tied 124 for each university. There are currently we're back to normal questions, and we have, I believe, 3 more questions. Yes. Yeah, this is a biology question. It is pretty straightforward, but if you give me the common name, 10 points. If you give me the scientific name, you get 20 points. I need the full name for the scientific name. All right, humans are the last of the species in the genus Homo. What previous species of the genus Homo existed before their extinction approximately 40,000 years ago? 30 seconds on the dot. Go for it. Abdullahi with the first buzz. We'll see what everyone else says. All right. Remember, common name gets you 10 points. Scientific name gets you 20 points. Only if you get it right, though. Everyone clocking in. All right. Everyone buzzing in. Abdullahi, Brian, and Daniel. This is quite the competition. Hey, it is absolutely tied. It is 124. It could be anyone's game at this point. Who knows? Yeah, Abdullahi, do you want to carry the team or leave it behind? Let's see. What do you got?
I'm gonna pass it.
acid. Okay, Brian, you got the answer for me? Brian, no?
Yeah. Homo.
My man, no Googling. No. I don't like this. No Googling.
I'm
No,
not.
I'm not Googling. I'm not Googling.
Okay,
I
okay.
promise.
I gave him the answer. He never wrote. Oh my god.
Homo neanderthalensis.
That is the correct answer for 20 points. Yes.
Freaking right.
What you going to say there, Daniel?
How's Homo erectus?
Homo erectus is not the correct answer, but
Oh.
Toronto got the 20 points. Okay.
Nice. Good job, Tom.
Waterloo.
Can you just say whatever I told you?
Waterloo.
What is it? Tom, what is this cheating?
No, we talked before the thing. So.
Okay, yeah.
All right.
Score, Alex.
Or Homo neanderthalensis. Yes.
Score,
So-
Alex.
Oh, Brian.
Honestly, guys, at this point, just saying Toronto has it, unless University of Waterloo gets both. I'm pretty sure both.
Okay, guys, actually, let's go.
Brian,
Fine.
meet you
So
here.
Waterloo, step it the fuck up, guys.
Daniel, get back on the call.
Psychology.
Get back.
10 points.
Okay.
No Googling. If you get Google, I'm limiting all your points. Just saying, all right? All points together. If you fucking cheat, you're out, boys. All right? 10 points. 30 seconds on the dot.
Not forget about the
E.F. Skinner did what? What did he prove? Ryan coming in and Abdullahi coming in the full
Hey
second.
guys, the answer is addiction.
Brian.
I hope everyone's like really went to it. Oh, this
Yes. Yeah. No, but also
5 seconds to go, guys. Hey,
You can
anyone
also
game
through,
at this point.
like a dopamine release through the addiction. Dopamine addiction. Okay, bye.
Right, time's up, guys. Brian, do you have the answer for me? Do not Google the answer. I'm gonna slap you.
Reinforcement.
What kind of reinforcement?
Operant reinforcement.
Don't give me fancy names. I want like what does it do?
So basically, an action will either adding something or removing something will promote a certain behavior.
That's the keyword I was looking for. Behavior is the correct 10 points.
Operant conditioning, though. No, it's supposed to be operant conditioning.
It is, but what does the operant conditioning do? That's what I was looking for, more specific. I wasn't
We
looking
said open, yeah.
because you can look that up, but I want a concept here.
Okay, I see.
Your behavior is determined by consequences. There's one more question. You know what? Just to spice this up, University of Toronto, you got 154 points. University of Waterloo, you got 124. I'm going to change this on the spot. This question, and I forget the answer actually because I didn't write it down, is worth 40 points. So,
That's a bias.
Yeah, that's a bias. Look at that.
Hey,
wait.
Game show. He's trying to spice it up.
how about this? We'll make it 30 points so someone can tie. If there's a tie. Hey, it's anyone's game.
Bias.
Biases, but hey, I want to make this fun. This will be extra it'll be extra competition, all right? 30 points, 30 seconds, no fucking pressure. Go for it. What part of the brain deals with complex behavior, decision-making, and social behavior, kind of like what we're doing now? You got 30 seconds. I'll reset it just to give you guys more time. Go for it. Abdullahi, you are first on the scoreboard. Just saying.
First, okay.
Just saying, Abdullahi, you can carry the team or you can leave it behind. I don't know. But I'm looking for a specific part of the brain that deals with this. The name. I just want the name. All right, guys, this can be anyone's game. It could either be University of Toronto wins or we go for a tie here. 0 seconds. Abdullahi, you were first. What are you going for, my man?
I'm going with cerebellum.
My man, that's to do with balance. Not the right answer. Hey, Brian, what do you got for me?
It's in the frontal lobe area.
It is, but I'm looking more specific.
I'm gonna say dorsolateral prefrontal cortex.
prefrontal cortex. It is. That gives Toronto 184. University of Waterloo 124. University of Toronto, you won this time, but hey, maybe there might be a rematch. You never know.
Yeah.
Okay, fair game. I don't know if you guys were cheating or not, but I'm assuming you guys weren't.
Yeah.
So this is pretty easy. Thanks.
Yeah. So.
Okay, now Ryan, now you.
So thank you very much, Alex, for hosting. That basically concludes the trivia for today, guys. And catch us next week when we release our next podcast episode. And from then on, we'll be going back to podcast episodes and catch up with us on Sidekicks, Knowing Hits in Science. See you guys later.
See you later, guys.